Presenting the 2007 Ford Ranger. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: rear-wheel drive, intermittent wipers, passenger airbag, ABS, engine immobilizer, front disc rear drum brakes, power steering, passenger airbag on-off switch, and variable speed intermittent wipers. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.